Morning people, hope everyone's alright on YouTube today. Hope your day's going nice. It's a bit of sunshine outside and hopefully going to get out in the garden later on. So I've got some hilltop clear honey, some clong one of these days. I've got some Irish pork sausages. I've got a couple of bits of bacon left. I've got some kerrygold. I've got some free range eggs and I've got them for the eggs obviously. And I've got ciabatta roll. So seasoned the eggs, sausages are in there, 11 minutes at 200. Push the train carefully so the eggs don't fly out because I've done that before. Go. I'll get some bacon on the go now. Needs a bit of white pudding in there as well. Why not, eh? Why not? Oh yeah. You have to write in the comments how you like your eggs, whether you like them runny or soft. There's definitely a bit of balancing going on there today. I mean, it's all in there. Little sausages, eggs, white pudding, bacon. Oh, this ain't missing, I know there is. You probably think I'm mad, but you know. And a bit of honey. The cheese is right down the bottom, so I'll get that in there. Oh, all that honey in there, lovely.